Respected tech CEO Dario Amodei, who heads a cutting-edge AI company called Anthropic, is raising alarms tonight about AI's potential impact on employment that could soon be felt. While he says AI can lead to incredible advancements like medical breakthroughs and boost the economy, he believes it could also lead to half of entry-level white-collar jobs disappearing and 10 to 20% unemployment in the next 1 to 5 years. It's something that's been talked about within tech circles for a while, but rarely so starkly and so publicly. I spoke to him just before air about that and other implications he thinks AI may have on society.
When was the last time you walked into a store and didn't see a self-checkout? Or called customer service and actually spoke to a human? Now multiply that across every industry: retail, banking, transportation, even healthcare. And you'll see where this is going. This isn't just about a few lost jobs. This is a massive shift. What we're watching unfold right now is the death of the middle class. And it's not coming with a bang. It's coming through quiet automation. So in this video, we're diving into how AI is replacing middle-class workers and creating a two-tier job market. One that offers either low-paid gig work or elite high-income tech roles, with nothing in between. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know which jobs are at risk, what real companies are doing right now, and most importantly, how to stay ahead. Let's get into it. Back in the 1950s to the early 2000s, the middle class was the backbone of most developed economies. You went to college, got a job, bought a house, retired, done. But over the past 20 years, that path has been crumbling. And AI is accelerating the collapse.
Didn't build this country. You, great middle class, built this country. And unions built the middle class.
According to a 2023 report from McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be lost to automation by 2030. Not low-skilled jobs only, but middle-wage, middle-skill jobs. Roles like administrative assistants, data entry clerks, paralegals, bank tellers, even radiologists. Let's look at some real examples. In 2023, IBM announced a hiring freeze on thousands of back-office roles, with CEO Arvind Krishna saying, "These jobs will be replaced by AI in the next 5 years." CVS closed 900 stores and began investing in AI-powered health kiosks instead of expanding human staff. Walmart is piloting AI to replace logistics and warehouse coordinators, roles that used to pay $45,000 to $60,000 annually. Even in law firms, big names like Allen and Overy are using AI tools like Harvey, a legal AI assistant built on GPT, to draft contracts, analyze documents, and even handle case summaries. That's billable work, automated. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. The jobs being eliminated used to offer something crucial: stability, benefits, upward mobility. That's what made the middle class feel safe. But today, those middle-wage roles are disappearing. In their place, two extremes. At the top, high-paying, specialized tech jobs: AI engineers, data scientists, automation strategists. These pay 6 figures or more but require advanced degrees or niche skills. At the bottom, gig economy work, Uber drivers, DoorDash couriers, task-based freelancers. These jobs offer flexibility, but little protection. No benefits, no retirement, and no upward ladder. And here's where it gets dangerous. It removes the stepping stone positions people use to climb up the income scale. Take the banking industry. 20 years ago, you could start as a teller, move up to loan officer, then into management. Today, most tellers are gone. Loan approvals are algorithm-driven. Management roles are shrinking. Same thing in media. Local newspapers are closing. Journalists are being replaced by AI writing tools. The New York Times even sued OpenAI over unauthorized use of their content. Why? Because even legacy media is now threatened. In customer support, companies like Duolingo, Instacart, and Expedia now use large language models to handle frontline queries. These were solid jobs. Now they're chatbots. And here's what's scary. Many of these companies aren't even announcing layoffs publicly. They're just not hiring back. They're replacing roles silently through software updates. In 2024, Goldman Sachs reported that 300 million full-time jobs globally are now at risk from generative AI. That's more than the entire US population. So what's next? Well, the polarization continues. A two-tier system. In Tier 1, a small group of highly skilled workers who understand how to work with AI. They get paid well, have job security, and can scale their income. In Tier 2, everyone else, doing unstable gig work, chasing algorithmic pay, and constantly fearing replacement. And the problem is, schools and colleges haven't caught up. We're still teaching people how to memorize in a world that pays people to prompt. So how do you avoid getting stuck in the wrong tier? Here's what you need to do, okay, right now. First, learn how to work with AI. You don't need to become a machine learning engineer, but prompt engineering, automation tools, AI copywriting, these are high leverage skills. Second, don't rely on traditional degrees alone. The world is moving too fast. Certifications, boot camps, even YouTube tutorials can often teach you more relevant skills, faster and cheaper. Third, focus on irreplaceable human traits: strategy, creativity, persuasion, emotional intelligence. AI can't replicate those, at least not yet. Fourth, build something: a brand, a portfolio, a newsletter, a YouTube channel, anything that makes you visible and valuable in ways a resume can't. And finally, be curious. Don't resist AI. Learn it, understand it, use it. Because the truth is, AI won't replace every worker, but it will replace every worker who refuses to adapt. So what side of the line do you want to be on? If you want help staying ahead of the curve, I've created a free resource listing, the top 20 remote jobs you can learn in under 6 months, even without a degree. That link is in the description. Smash the like button if this opened your eyes. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff content about AI, jobs, and your future. And tell me in the comments, do you think the middle class is done for, or can we still save it? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.